The student studied this book. The student studied this book.
She listens to Arabic music. She listens to Arabic music. The teacher was in the library. The teacher was in the library. Yesterday, I went to the school. Yesterday, I went to the school.
This shirt was very cheap. This shirt was very cheap. Can you take me to the airport, please? Can you take me to the airport, please? My mother is in school with my brother. My mother is in school with my brother. Each student reads in his book. Each student reads in his book. What do you usually do in the evening, Sammy? What do you usually do in the evening, Sammy? Is there a safe in the room? Is there a safe in the room? We are going to the Egyptian Museum tomorrow. We are going to the Egyptian Museum tomorrow. The teachers finished teaching today. The teachers finished teaching today. Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Do you have many books? Do you have many books? Students' books on the table. Students' books on the table. The old book is at home. The old book is at home. Then, listen until the end. Then, listen until the end. Old books on shelves. Old books on shelves. I study at 7 o'clock. I study at 7 o'clock. Her new students. Her new students. Dish. Dish. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. The ninth car. The ninth car. How much is it? How much is it?
Thanks for watching.